As an expert advisor using let me show you the best way to optimize an expert advisor. So we will start first by making a test for the 5 years. You always need a test for 5 years. So we are optimizing this on the 1 hour on the euro yen. So what we will do first, we want to have fixed lots, and we want to see what it will perform, what is the performance and everything using a fixed lot of 0.01. So never mind about the settings now. What we will do is we will just go ahead and test it for 5 years. So we've got for 5 years this performance. So it's not going anywhere, it's just sideways performance. Now we go to the reports. We find that we have profit rates percentage is around 34%, and the maximum consecutive losses was 13 in a row. Now what we want to do, we want to improve these statistics. Now the best way to do it is first we have to find what are the best times for this EA to work, because EAs work based on pairs, and pairs work based on news. So not all the hours of the day, not all the times are the same. So we want to try to find if there's any pattern. So pattern of losses that are keeping the CA from performing well. So we come here to the euro yen, it's on 1 hour, and it's a test EA. So we have it like 1000, whatever. So here we find that here's our EA performance. We want to analyze the traits. So we analyze the traits as follows. We come here first, we want to remove all the losing days. So we have like in 5 years, as you can see here, we have like performance for 5 years. So we have in 5 years, these days, I prefer always to start with the worst days. So these days are affecting the performance. So which days we have to remove? The days of the month, like every month, these are the worst days. So from 1 to 8, we have to remove it. So let's remove 1 to 8. We come here, expert advisor, and then we want from 1 to 8 to restrict the traits. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, the second batch was 11 and then 13, 14. So we come here, 11, 13, 14. Okay. So 17 and 19 also. 17, 19. Okay. And we have 22, 26, and then 28 to 30. So 22, 26, 28 to 30. So let's see if the performance will improve. So we look at the graph. It did actually improve. Now the maximum losses are still high. So, and the percentage of profit is still not what we want. So what we will be doing now, we will also come and analyze the hours for the EA, because as you know, not all the hours in the day are the same. So we will just do this again. This was on euro yen. This was 1 hour. And this 1000. Okay, so here we still have days which are not good. 9 we have to remove, 12 we have to remove, 20, 23 and 27. 20, 23 and 27. So we have to also restrict these days. 9, 20, 23 and 27. Okay, we test again. Okay, yeah, now as you can see, the consecutive losses has dropped significantly from 13. It's around 40% lower, and the percentage is still not improving, so we have to see what we can do with the hours. So it's paste, another one, paste. So it's euro yen, it's 1 hour, test EA 1000. Okay, so as you can see, we still have 10, 12 and 31, and we should be fine. So we have 10, 12 and 31. Then 12, 31. Okay, let's try again. So now it's much better, and this is over 4 years. Now it's improving the win rate, as you can see, but we still have the consecutive losses. It's high, so we have to see what we can do. Okay, this is, yeah, another one. So euro yen, 1 hour, test EA. Okay, so we have fixed the days that we that are losing more. Now we have to fix the hours that are losing more. So we come here and we have to see, whenever we see the losses are more than the winners for any hour, we have to remove that. So here 1, remove it, 2, remove it, 3, remove it. So we until 4 and 5 even. So from 1 to 5 we shouldn't be trading. So we have to trade at 6, 9, money will be removed. So actually we can only trade this EA. Okay, let me show you. At 6, and then at 12, and then at 15. Yeah, so it's only 6, 12, 15, 6, 12, 15. I will not bother with these, too small. So let's go again. And it's in the hours, we go to this one, allowed hours. So it's 6, 12, 15. Yeah, let me check. 6, 12, 15. Yeah. So it's 6, 12, 15. Yeah. So let's see what will happen now. Okay, it's improving. Let's see the maximum losses. Didn't improve too much, so let's see what's the problem. Copy all, come again, paste, test EA. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we find that actually this EA on the 1 hour on the euro yen, we cannot use it because the losses are more than the wins. So it's better not to use it on the euro yen. Okay, this is the main thing. And if we want to restrict trading on Monday also we can, but I'm not sure this will help. So we can give it a last chance. So here we want to trade only from Tuesday to Friday. So let's see. What I want to see actually is something here. I want to see this above 55%. The win profitable trades. It should be above 55%. 55 and above is fine. And I can manage here with the consecutive losses, but until now it's not ready. So let's see what's happened. So copy all. And then paste. So, okay. So let's see what happens. Okay, it's improving a little bit, but still not where we want. So it's unlikely that we will be able to make good money with this. This is not an EA to use on the euro yen. So we will try a different pair. Okay. So on the euro yen we cannot trade it. So let's try, for example, on USD CAD or euro US dollar. Let's try it on the euro US dollar. Let me show you. Okay. So first we have to delete all these filters. So make it 1 to 24, and this is Monday to Friday, and this is, yeah. So this is how it works. So we are testing now this on euro US dollar. So let's see. Okay, on euro US dollar, nothing amazing. So, but okay, started with maximum 8 losses, and here we have this. So let's see. We can copy them, come here, paste. It's euro US dollar, 1 hour, and test 1. So what we can find here is that all these days we have to delete. Okay. Now I think it's too much to delete. Like we will not have days to trade. So maybe we can try it on different time frames. So here we have it on 1 hour, and maybe we can try it on 30 minutes. So if we try it on 30 minutes, we have to change the stop loss and take profit. So here it's 75 pips. We can make it like, we can try like 30 pips, 60 pips. Okay. So let's see if it will change. yeah, we have like some improvement. 36, 11, that's fine. Let's see if we have more trades actually, which is fine. We can go here and check it if it will work. This is on 30 minutes. Test one. Okay, let's see if we gonna. Yeah, here for example, we can see that it has more winning days than losing days. So, okay, it's something that we can work on. So we will start 1 to 5 delete. We will restrict 1 to 5 of the month. So we restrict 1 to 5. 1 to 5, no. Then we have to check again. 9 to 12, also restrict. So 9 to 12, okay, we restrict 9 to 12. What's again? And 20, 21, 26, 29, 30. So let me 20, 21, 26, 29, 30. So 20, 21, 26, 29, 30. If I remember correct, let me check. 29 and 31, sorry, there's 31, so it was here 31. Okay, so let's see what's happened now. Okay, so yeah, starting to show some improvement here. We're still not where we want. Let's see if we have enough. Yeah, so what we will do, we will just make another one, paste 30, just one. Okay, so we still have to take more days. 22, 24, 15, and 7. So 7, 15, 22, 24. Okay, let's delete them. 7, 15, 7, 15, 22, 24. So let's test again until we can clean these days. Okay, so we copy all, come back, paste 30, and let's see. We still have 23 and 6. I think this should do it. 23 and 6. So 23 and 6. And now we are hopefully there. So let's see. Okay, let's check where we are now. Paste. Yeah, last one. 27. 27. Okay. 27. So let's see if it's fine. Okay, copy all, come back, paste, test, 30 minutes. Yeah, we still have one. It's not that easy. 28, so it's easy, but we have to be patient. Okay, 28. Always better than losing money. Okay. Okay, so here we will test it again. So we have to copy again. Okay, come. Paste 30 minutes. Tester. Okay, excellent. So we clean the days that are not performing well in the last 5 years. Now we have to clean the hours. So the euro US dollar, the CA doesn't work all the hours on it. So we have to find always which are the best hours to use it. So whenever the red bar is higher than the green bar, it means the losses are more than the winners. So we have to just ignore this hour. So let's check which are the valid hours to trade. So we have 5, 8, 12, 15, 17, 19, 20. Yeah, so we have some. So let's start with the first one. It was 5. Well, the first 3 actually. 5, 12, and 14. 5, 12, and 14. So we have to activate only these hours now. 5, 12, and 14. So we have to come here like, okay. So 5, 12, 14. Again, what are the next hours? So 15 is also good. 15, 17, and 19. Fifteen, 17, 19. Okay. And then 20. And that's it. 20. The last one is 20. So we come here and we add 20. So let's test. Okay. And check. Copy all and then come the tester, paste, put again, and 30 minutes, load. So that's fine. We cleaned a lot off. Now let's check the equity chart. It's still has a lot of stagnation. Let's see if we can improve it even more. Like Monday has to be removed because it's a losing day. So we come here and we have to remove Mondays. So it's Tuesday to Friday. Sorry, Tuesday to Friday. So let's test it again. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's improving the chart. Even the percentage here is improving. The consecutive losses dropped, so it helps. Let me check if we can do more. Okay. So we removed the losing days. There's still a losing day here. That time it's 17. We have to remove that one. 17. Okay, sorry, removed 17. Okay, let's see now what will happen. Paste 30 tester. Okay, so we cleaned the days of the month, days of the week. Now what we have to look for, let's see first the equity chart. Okay, as you can see, the stagnation decreased a lot, so we are like moving forward. Now we don't really want to do more for this. Now one thing about you can see here the years, the winning percentages of the trades is still like below 55%. Let me see if ideally it should be 55 and above. So let's see if we can do something with, okay, we have the maximum consecutive losses dropped to 7. So what I will do is the following. I will enable martingale true, and then it should have 5 consecutive losses to start martingaling. Okay, so let's test this first. Let's test this. So it should start with 0.01, and then let's optimize for, yeah, I mean it should be fine. Let's see if it will work. So if we try this, yeah, we find that it actually performs fine. So yeah, even if we have like this consecutive losses, we can still do this. Now, since it's making progress, now the best way to work with this is to see in the report here we have 5% maximum drawdown and total net profit was 400. So we will go and then do this. So instead of now martingale, we can increase, instead of having this fixed lot, we will make it a percentage. So let's try with 1%, and it will grow the account, and then we can increase that. So as you can see, it works. So it started with 1,000, it made total net profit 22,000, and the maximum drawdown was like 31%. So yeah, it works. Now if you want to have more drawdown, more profit, it's possible. So we can do this. We can come here, make it maybe 1.5. So we will be risking a little bit more. So here you can see, but of course it can grow even bigger. So here, for example, as you can see, you can have like initial deposit of $1,000 and it will make total net profit $82,000, and that's making only with a drawdown of 43% and winning only 46%, as you can see. I mean, if we are willing to go for like, since if we are starting with $1,000 and we are willing to go for more, we can. So let's just increase this, like make it 1.7. I mean, I'm willing to risk 60% of the account if it's 1,000, just to see it grow, see what can happen, the maximum what we can expect. Yeah, so here it's still below 50%. Let's go even more. Okay, so let's go with this to 2. So yeah, let's see how it will make. Okay, so here it's becoming even better. Okay, so here as you can see, it went from 1000 to 244,000. Maximum drawdown is still not, yeah, it's not increasing as yeah, here we have it like the relative, yeah, it's 70%, sorry. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I think 70% is enough. We don't want more maximum drawdown. Okay, so this is how you can optimize an EA, and without changing a lot of things in the trading idea. So this is, you just basically you can optimize any EA using this method, only based on the time of trading, and you can do this for a lot of pairs, and then you can form a portfolio. So this is the best way to do it. If you have any questions or you would like me to help you optimize your EA, you can contact me, comment optimize, and I will reply to you, and I will contact you. Okay, that's it. Take care, bye.